At the stop sign, turn left onto Lakeshore Drive.
Đi trail mẹ đâu có muốn đi phải không? Cô có muốn đi trail không? Cam, cô muốn đi trail không? Đi trail là đi bộ đó. Đi bộ đường dài đó, cô đi không?
Bây giờ lại Hoover Dam trước phải không?
Turn left.
Oh, that's your sign. Visitor center.
Yes.
Ooh, you got that
In
snake?
1 mile,
The third exit.
at the roundabout, take the third exit onto State Route 172. Then take a slight right turn.
Follow where that white car goes.
Onto State Route 172. In 1.2 miles, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Hoover Dam Access Road.
We follow them.
Yeah, follow the.
It's for you.
Okay. Makes sense. We're subject to inspection. Yeah. Scare weed.
You know, this is where we use the control.
Yep.
In half a mile, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Hoover Dam Access Road.
What did you write on the comment?
Beautiful lake and a wonderful visitor center. Thank you. Second exit. Just continue to follow those guys. They're going the same direction as us.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto Hoover Dam Access Road.
You. I'm gonna ask them when are they going to pick up. Prepare to start roll down all windows. You don't have to translate it into English.
Welcome Hoover Dam.
You
When
asked, what is through lane? Yeah, just go.
Đây chỗ mấy cái chỗ này ngày xưa mà sau 11 tháng 9 là nói không cho vô.
In 1 mile, the destination is on your right.
Bridge overlook is like in here. If you want to go in
You
there.
can go in there.
Yeah, but
in
if
the
there's
bridge, see the view. Why don't you go on the bridge? See the view.
Wow, cái đá này đẹp quá, đá này nó lụm một cục nhỏ nhỏ rồi.
okay.
That's a heck of an ending. Tới đó đâu còn gì nữa. Which one in Arizona?
Dam.
Hoover Dam.
Nó mang ở đầu tiên nó mang điện xuống Los Angeles. Cái đường này. Ooh, the bridge.
We were on that bridge.
We were there phải không?
Yep, that was us.
Wow.
Ba về mà phải thu hình mấy cái này lại để mày bắt hình nhớ.
Yep.
Thu mấy cái này lại nè.
Yep, and I need to do that as well. So, and then I can format the card with all the Death Valley stuff on it.
We were up there phải không?
Yep, we were up there.
But I don't see the freeway.
Wow, nó bự ha.
The freeway is right next
Lớn quá
to
trời
us.
ha. Công trình lớn như sao.
Stop
đường này
here,
là-
red.
Cái đường này nãy trên nãy mình nhìn xuống đó đó.
Mm.
If that guy can go on there, we're fine.
We follow. They hang it.
You want to go into the wait,
Is that the
what,
visitor center?
what is
No.
this? Parking spaces. Oh, these are parking spaces.
Parking spaces for visitor center.
$10. Ah, whatever.
$10?
Yeah,
Why not?
I guess we're chilling.
I don't know if we can get it.
Level 2 is open.
No. Okay, let's go there. Let's go there. I don't want to park here.
Okay.
Nó áo rồi cái mình đi ra đi vô mệt quá mà mệt.
Okay.
Mệt cái vụ đi bộ trong này nó mất $10.
Okay. Me too.
Or park it up, we can walk across the bridge.
Yep.
Visitor Center.
Yeah, you have to park back there.
Arrived.
Yep.
Tới tham quan cái chỗ này ta đứng được.
Ok nào nha, mình lái xe ngang cho Hoover Dam nha.
Okay. Spicy.
Ok. Navigation.
Ending navigation.
Bậy quá, nãy phải đậu là mình đi bộ rồi đi. Mình là cái người đầu tiên đi mà I don't like it like I like to be a follower. I don't want to be a leader. Wow, cái này là cái chỗ mà
Tới tham quan đó.
xe đi.
Tới tham quan.
Arizona time. Oh my gosh.
Arizona is more than 1 hour, I said. Alaska when
I think Arizona doesn't do daylight saving time, from my
What
understanding.
now is it? 10:52.
Oh, it's fine. Same time. I guess we park over there and then we walk.
Can we park over there?
Chỗ này là ta chỗ người ta chụp
We have to
hình.
pay $10.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
It is the conveniences.
No pedestrians beyond this point. Tennessee. So,
No parking anytime right here, phải không? Oh, nhưng mà nếu mình what do we do if we park over there? You want to walk back? Đi nắng quá trời.
The Grand Canyon State welcomes you.
Grand Canyon State, Arizona. Mình ở đây, là mình ở Arizona phải không?
Yep.
Đậu đây đâu có tốn tiền đâu.
Nope.
Nhưng mà có chỗ đậu hay không mới được. I don't see any park.
Mấy chiếc xe đỏ.
Oh my god, cái thằng này quá này. Mình có vô đó được không?
Không, hết chỗ rồi.
Mình có vô đâu được không?
Who was it?
Ở đó là
Không được.
Okay.
20 trạm.
Okay.
Không có đậu chú thấy ghê. Bây giờ. Rồi, được rồi.
Ok. Đi ra.
2.
Nếu mà thật sự trời nóng chết đâu có đi bộ qua đây chi nữa hả? Trời nóng lắm mà. Ở đây chạy nhanh cũng không được, không ai cho mình chạy nhanh. Căng. Ở đây mà quanh. That's okay.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
So what time is it? I think at the Boulder City.
Yep. Food. Hoover Dam history.
Được không cưng? Cưng là Trang đó, còn con được không? Đang quay ngược lại rồi đang quay đó, đang xây ra cửa.
Oh wait, in Arizona it's only 10.
11. But they clock doesn't show correctly. 11.
No, wait.
Hoover Dam.
Okay, I'll take a picture.
1931 làm 4 năm mới xong. Hoover Dam.
Yep.
11 okay.
Okay, you're fine. You're fine.
Hoover Dam 1931 hả?
Mình phải thách cái bà phải thách cái bà phải gãy cái này để mấy người nó mất hết mấy cái cành snow yesterday đó.
Yep.
Halapachi đó. Hả what?
It's a hatchery.
Food and gift.
Yeah, food.
Food and gift. I don't see anyone eating anything.
I think
I
they're
see.
eating inside.
I think there's a black guy.
Whoa, a black guy. You could tell this stuff is old because it's made out of copper and the copper is weathered. make one of my
Food
Minecraft
deep
houses
kìa.
out of.
Phước
Yeah.
Tiếp là nằm trong đó đó.
Nhưng mà vô đó không phải xe mình nó cao á, nó cao hơn người ta.
Okay, last chance.
No.
Last
Okay,
chance.
trên đó.
Okay, fine.
Okay, level
Lot
2.
9. Try
Lot
lot 9
Okay, you show me. Level 2.
or lot 9. Height limit 13 feet. Are we
Proceed
okay?
to the route.
Yeah. Where are we?
Tôi
Oh,
parking
parking
trong này.
in here.
Ở đâu ta?
Auto park.
Tuốt trên á.
Okay, we're up.
Show me what
Up.
to do.
Turn right onto Hoover Dam access road.
Careful, you're a little
Proceed
close
to the route.
to our side.
Hey Siri, end navigation.
Ending navigation.
Okay, where do I go?
Keep
Any
right.
lane. Because we have to pay.
Okay.
Oh, we have to pay right here.
Yeah, so any lane. Both lanes are open.
Yeah, I think you need to have my credit card.
I have my card. How about that? I don't know where your card is. I have my card. Use my card.
We go.
Okay, good to know.
Follow that those people.
Cái gì họ nói gì vậy?
They roughly không có chào mình nhiều.
Ồ.
Okay, that's fine. It's better to know that we couldn't come in.
Well, we did everything we could, don't we? Huh?
Yep. Boulder City.
Okay.
Starting route to Boulder City.
Yeah, here.
In 1.3 miles, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto State Route 172.
Đúng là cái công trình vĩ đại á.
Too cold. My bad. This is gonna be a sharp curve.
Mấy cái cột kìa nó lớn.
Tôi với Na sao mà nó hợp đánh nhau quá, trả tiền hay gì đó có ngại ngùng gì hết trơn á. And we are the same DNA on that, I know.
Yep.
You're not the kind of people who are so cheap.
In 1 mile,
I mean,
at the
your-
roundabout,
my money
take
is
the
your
first
money anyway,
exit onto
so-
State Route 172.
What difference does it make? And if I run out, I'm just like, Dad, can I have some money,
And
please?
right away, you know, I'm being over.
Yeah.
I don't know when you make money, would you be different?
I
Nói
wonder-
tai.
This is Hoover Dam, you know.
Yeah.
We need gas over there.
Yeah.
I'm glad that we stopped here for 2 days. Otherwise, if one day we don't know what to do,
Yep.
it's too early. You know, when we go places, we need at least 2 or 3 days.
Yep.
One.
like gotcha.